So the court made up of 9. 3 justices were appointed by President Bush, 3 appointed by President Trump, 2 by President Obama, and 1 by President Biden. So how might they vote? I think the 3 Democratic appointees will likely vote against IEEPA, saying it was really not designed for tariffs, it was designed for sanctions. I think in both cases, actually, at this point in time, sanctions and tariffs don't have the same efficacy that they did when we first introduced them, and I think the U.S. has probably overplayed its hand there now. But be that as it may, the 3 Democrats will likely vote against. Three of the Republicans, based on the hearing last week, which had Scott Bessent in the front row, stressing the importance of this to the U.S., or were not very positive on it, including Justice Roberts, who's the Chief Justice, and then Justices Gorsuch and Barrett also. So for Roberts, it's the Major Questions Doctrine, which is my understanding of it, is that says that Congress itself is responsible for litigating decisions of vast economic and political significance and considering the basic and consequential trade-offs involved. And this is a rule that I believe Roberts has used recently in the last couple of years in other cases. So him bringing this back is not something that he's just bringing it for this time. In terms of Justice Gorsuch in particular, is very focused on the non-delegation doctrine, which stipulates that Congress can't yield its Article I legislative powers to the executive branch, and that's the issues he's most focused on. And I think that gets into the separation of powers and the whole construct of the U.S. System.